So maybe you could start by just asking you what your defense is for your client and his state of mind at this point in time.
I can't tell you what his state of mind is, and I can't tell you exactly what the defense is, except that I think you probably heard from the court, which I think is actually one of the most important things that the judge said, is that my client clearly is not linked, in large part, at least from the judge's ruling on the bench, at least at this stage, to the stabbing. And I think that that was the important thing. This judge basically, in setting the bail that he just said that he views my client as committing an assault as opposed to the stabbing.
Is that why you're fighting the criminal liability charges?
That's why I'm fighting both charges, but that's why I'm going to file a motion with the court seeking a probable cause determination on the criminal liability.
You said in the courtroom that you were looking at one terrified kid. After 2 nights in jail, you talked about his lack of criminal history. Talk to us about him as a person, what you know about Eric Denning.
Great kid. I mean, 21-year-old kid, great family. You saw the courtroom, it was packed. He's a played volleyball, high school volleyball, collegiate volleyball, all sorts of awards, active in the community, mechanical engineering student, top grades. So you go from that to some serious allegations landing in Stratford County House of Corrections.
Did he say anything? I mean, is he okay, or is he, you said he was terrified. Is he?
Well, it's fair to say he's not having a great day, right? I mean, today's a better day because he's getting out. And clearly the court accepted that argument in large part because the judge basically released him directly into that program.
One of the things brought up was the Snapchat with a pretty vulgar description. Can you explain his role in that photo and that caption?
I can explain to you what was represented in the Gerstein affidavit and what the court seemed to listen to and what the prosecutor said. It was the co-defendant. My client had nothing to do with it.
So you're certain that he had no...
I can't tell you I'm certain because I have no discovery other than the affidavit, but I can tell you that it was pretty clear from the state's representation that it was the other gentleman that posted whatever it was, the picture, and made the remarks. There was nothing to suggest in the state's proffer and in the Gerstein that my client had anything to do with that.
Now, is he a mechanical or engineering student or chemical engineering student?
No, I think it's mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. I know he's been suspended from the university. Does he plan to still pursue his degree?
I don't have that answer.
You noted how uncharacteristic this behavior was. Do you know of anything that you might be able to tell us triggered this, whether alcohol or drugs were involved? Or
Can't tell you because I don't know.
Okay.
Did he live on campus, or
No.
Did he live in Durham, or was he commuting from Salem?
No, he lived in Durham, not on campus, off-campus housing.
Can you just describe for us exactly what happened in court today? So he'll be released on PR bail if he's accepted into the community corrections program?
He's been accepted into
Okay.
the community corrections program, so he will be released from here, he'll be released from the jail into community corrections. Community corrections will release him on the conditions that the judge set, and it'll be on a personal recognizance bail, but if he violates any of the bail conditions, it reverts to the cash only bail.
Okay, it reverts to that $50K cash only.
If he violates the conditions of that the judge set forth.
Okay, great.